Okay. Immeasurable ROI. ROI is return of investment. Now, for example, here, if I invest 10,000 at the end of the month, the Google gives me exactly out of 10,000 how many patients have actually come, how many patients. So everything is measurable here. Whereas how many people called because of the pamphlet, we'll never know the thing. So there is immeasurable ROI in such cases. That's why traditional ones do not work. Now here, when I was studying for this topic particularly, I came across something called the Pareto principle. Now, Pareto was an Irish man who said that with 20, now this is a concept that can be applied anywhere, but I tried applying it to our digital marketing. The first thing is that 80%, so if you take 20% of efforts in your life, it will give you 80% of results. So you have to just distinguish between what 20% efforts are we talking about here. And there are 80% of efforts you'll be taking which will result in 20% of results. For example, now I'll take the example into our clinical dentistry and try to explain you. 80% of your income comes from just 20% of your patients. So those 20% of patients could be who implant can give you good amount. The number of the patient could be less, but the amount of revenue it's going to create is going to be huge. Okay, for example, full mouth cases, anything. So we need to concentrate on those 20% of the patients only who is actually going to yield us 80% of the income. Okay, the pleasant 20% are the ones that generate most of the revenue. You can try it practically. I have actually tried this at my clinic and I've realized that yes, these are the patients that actually are giving me. And this Pareto principle is applied to anywhere in the practice. It can be applied anywhere. Okay.